taking this video again. Last time I tried to take one of these, didn't do so well. I'm working at it. There's a train on the horizon. I'm gonna try to captivate it, capture it on film, if you will. Yeah, just been out today, you know, getting some air, walking, talking, buying stuff, smelling the subway, remembering how it used to be and how it ain't. But I see something on the horizon, y'all. I want to make sure I'm at a good distance. I'm a little older than I used to be, not as quick. Don't want to be too close. My, how things have changed. Yeah. And you gotta watch out. Make sure nobody ain't around you, because people will be trying to push you down on the tracks. You know, the mental health thing. Can you hear that? I can. Beat this. I got it this time. Yeah. I got it.